Hello everyone, it's Alexandra. Welcome back. So recently I have posted a video flip through of the journal that I made for a swap with Nikki Adegun. I will post Nikki's channel in the description box down below. So here is what I have received from Nikki. I'm super excited to open the box. I have not seen yet what's inside. So I have just opened the sides of the box to save the time of the video. So let's have a look together. Okay, so here is the airbag that I am going to remove. And here is how Nikki packaged her journal. I absolutely love that. Some dry branches and this cute leaf. I like the craft tissue paper. That is probably, yeah, there is a note for me that I am going to read. Nikki says, Alexandra, I truly hope you find much joy in this journal. Thanks for suggesting this exchange. I can't wait to see what you have done. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a lovely New Year. Much love, Nikki. Oh, thank you so much, Nikki. I like the paper that you used with some foiling. Super cool. Okay, so let's have a look inside the journal because this is why we're all here for today. Okay, so I think I will cut it like this. And I will take the branches and the leaf. All right. So let's unpack this. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Okay. Let's flip through this. This is how it looks on the side. I absolutely love it. With some charms hanging off the tabs. I already love it. And I can see that Nikki added some charms to the threads that bind the signatures. And there are also 3 signatures in this journal. I like the fabric. I think I even have something like that too. I like the ridges. Okay, so let's untie and see what's inside. There is this chipboard, I think it's chipboard embellishment on the front cover with a mulberry leaf, and it's like a frame, a leaf in a frame. I can see that the top layer is a bit raised. And okay, so here we go. We have an envelope with a string closure on the inside of the front cover. Let's see what's inside. Never does nature say one thing and wisdom another. That's great. That's what we have in the pocket. And the pocket flips out. Wow. That's very nice. I think it might, yeah, it's magnetized here. And there are a few more journaling cards in the pocket behind the envelope. I love it. Peaceful is what nature is, that's for sure. Let me wind this back. Okay, here we go. On this side of the page we have a pocket and a specimen card inside with a dried flower. I love how Nikki added this piece of tape in there to hold the flower. It looks very authentic, and I think these are from Nikki's Etsy store. Of some peculiar words which are nature related, like this Waldanesamkeit if I read it correct. It is in German. And it is the feeling experienced when alone in the woods, connecting with nature. That's a nice one. Okay, so we'll put it back. I like this digital. I think it's from Paper Craftivity too. I used one of those kits as well. And you know what? It's so interesting to see the quality of the print, because Nikki, you have to tell me what printer you have, because it looks a little bit different from the printing quality that I get on my laser printer. And I think I really like this one too. Looks great. I can see that Nikki also did some tea or maybe coffee staining and stenciling here. And she added this wonderful collage with some cheesecloth and mushrooms. And there is this absolutely adorable leaf charm on a garment pin. Another cluster with a label in there. This is a nice page. And the pages are really delicate. I like that. So here we have a flip out pocket with a slide. This is nice. I think it's a sticker behind the plastic in there. Looks very interesting. And in this pocket we have a few more cards. Oh, they're beautiful. Like them. Okay, and here we have, I think this is a washi sticker because it feels like that. More pages with the tabs and some rustic cluster which says nature study. An image of a butterfly. This again might be washi. I like this page. I like it a lot. And some lace with the leaves. Here we have a mushroom and a leaf. And Nikki layered it on a piece of muslin in there. Okay, here we have a pocket with a card. Oh, I like this one. I think that's a print of some Echo printing. And a label in there with a tab. And here we have a double pocket, as far as I can understand, with a picture of a mushroom and a journaling card with butterflies. Okay, so this is the center of the first signature. I like how you added these to the ends of the threads, Nikki. It looks really great. And here we have the same style of pockets, a double pocket in there with more journaling cards. Okay. Another charm with a tree. Next we have another page pocket with a card and a label on this really nice looking graph paper. Another cluster and leaf lace. This is the back of that page that I said that I really liked. I think it was, oh, never mind. I like all of them. It's really nice. Oh, that's beautiful, Nikki. Thank you so much for creating this. I like all the flips and pockets and the beautiful images that you have chosen for this journal. Oh, look at that. Such a nice design of the pocket and some tags and cards inside of it. That's very cool. Another wonderful cluster with the lace. Look at that. different textures and the page with some stenciling. I have removed the tissue paper because it was kind of sliding on my working surface, so let's continue without that and keep on flipping through. Let me just zoom you in a little bit more. I like all the stitching. I think it adds so much to any journal. And here is a nice design of a pocket, like corner pockets on diagonal corners, and some cards. I like these. So nice. I absolutely adore how Nikki added those branches with some twine between the signatures. I think it looks perfect for a nature themed journal. And here are some more collaging on the flip out envelope. And here we have a journaling card. That's great. Lots of journaling space, which I like. Wonderful butterflies and another cluster of fabric and cheesecloth and that leaf. And more printed pages, more clusters, and this is a book page, if I'm not mistaken. And here we have, let's see if I can do that right. Yeah, it's the card, pocket card, with a few tags inside. They look wonderful. I love yellow. I like yellow flowers a lot. As if you knew, Nikki, I really like yellow. Okay, let's clip it back to the page the way it was there. I like all the staining on paper and the wonderful digitals. I think this one is from Tracy Fox from Nature's Remedies, and this one is from Paper Craftivity. I am sure Nikki will do a flip through of this journal on her channel as well, and she might want to mention all the digital kits that she used for creating this. I hope she will, if you want to know which digitals she used. I like this bee charm and the way Nikki added those little jump rings with seed beads in addition to the charm itself. Here we have a glassine envelope with a tag. I like this one. Lots of green color in here. Oh, this looks nice, this picture. And we got to the center of the second signature. Another glassine envelope with a tag. Cool. So cute. All the flip outs and all the envelopes, they look great. I really like how you designed this one, Nikki. Thank you so much again. And it's so nice to flip through the pages of a journal that someone created for you. I like all the clusters that you have created. And the labels. Oh, this is something interesting with another specimen card. And here I think Nikki used a sticker. Let me put this back. And here we have a journaling card that Nikki stitched all the way around and backed with tea-dyed papers. That's the book page in there, and more clusters. So nice. I like this image too. I like the pops of green and how it goes together with the color scheme of the whole journal. looks really great. Here we have another stitched onto the page pocket with some braided twine in there. Looks very cool. And I think this is from the book. And it's backed with tea-stained paper. Really cool, the parts of a flower. For a reference, okay, another tree branch between the second and the third signatures. And here we have reached the third signature. So there is a journaling card with some beautiful flowers, and it's all stitched. Goes back into the side pocket on the page. Here we have more of the journaling cards and those peculiar words. This is Mangata in Swedish, the glimmering road-like reflection that the road creates on the water. That's really nice to know how it's called. I love these cards that teach you something. I like this page as well. And another pocket, I guess. Oh no, it's not a pocket. We have a corner pocket, an absolutely cute corner pocket in here with some cards with the covers of the books. Cool. Here we have another label and that wonderful leaf lace. And more digitals. A pocket and a card with a bird. Looks great. Here we have another pocket with a specimen card. So cool. And here is the middle of the third signature, again with the beads and the leaf charm tied onto them. Another slide in a glassine envelope pocket. I like these stickers and love the slides, absolutely love them. So here we have a tab with another charm, and it's a leaf, a maple tree leaf. And oh, this is such a cool clip. Thanks, Nikki, I have never seen those. And there is a card with a butterfly. Looks great in there. I love it. And here we have oh, that's a seed envelope. I also don't have any of those, so it's actually nice to see how it looks in real life. And here is a journaling card. Very cool. I like how you folded that image on the page. Seeds. Okay. Beautiful collaging. And some more stitching. And lace. And here we have another pocket with some more cards in it. And I like this image of the mushrooms. More tea-stained pages. Or maybe coffee stained. I think it's coffee staining because my pages are tea dyed and they are a little bit of a lighter color. More mushrooms and beautiful digitals. And here is another pocket with a peculiar word, a new one. Werythysteria. It's from the Old English, to wander longingly through the forest in search of mystery. Wow, that's nice. So we'll put it back. And I like how there are bird eggs here and here on the card. I think it goes like this. Yeah. Okay, and that's the end of the third signature. And we have another specimen card here in the stitched pocket. Here there is a belly band with another great card with an image of a bird. Okay, thank you so much, Nikki. Really, I can't express my excitement and how I'm glad that you agreed to have this swap. That's very touching, and I will really treasure this journal because I love how it looks. I love how you put it together. I like the inspiration that I am definitely going to get from flipping through its pages to have a look at more and more details that I'm sure to find again and again. So thank you, and you guys, I hope you like this journal. I will make sure to include a link to Nikki's channel in the description box down below so that you can check it out and consider subscribing, because Nikki does amazing job with the journals, and she even sells some of her journals in her Etsy store along with the digital kits that Nikki has in there. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and see you soon. Bye.